I would definitely say that I didn't have to make any sacrifices on either the professional side or the academic side. There was enough time in the day. The amazing thing about these professors at Darden and at McIntire is that they are extremely successful, extremely well known in their fields, but that's not what makes them a good professor. What makes them a good professor is how personable they are, how approachable they are, and how there for you they are throughout the program. All of our professors, each mod, we had professors who became friends, who became people that we connected with outside of the class. The thing I'm perhaps most excited about is having this network of people from McIntire and from Darden. I have a ton of people who I can go to now at any point in my career and ask them for partnership, ask them for leadership, ask them for for networking. It's just super valuable. In fact, I've already started doing that. I was amazed, at the transformation I saw from the beginning of the program with people who came wanting to upgrade their communication skills to the end of the program, where people were riffing in their presentations, people were going off script, and just being excellent communicators, excellent at connecting people to ideas. I was just simply blown away by the growth I saw on the communication side.